Hi, let me show you how to scan documents on iPhone and save as PDF. For that, we need to go ahead and find Files app, which is installed here by default. Now make sure to tap on three dots in the top right corner and in the list of options find Scan Documents. It is no matter where you tap on the bottom, you will always see this option once you tap on three dots. So here, instead of auto, I suggest you to switch to manual. And now, all you have to do is to point the camera at the document you want to scan to see it within those blue frames. So also you can tap right here and add filters, grayscale, black and white, and photo, or just leave it like that. Make sure it is within the blue frame, and whenever you're ready, press camera shutter button to scan the document. Now if you want to, you can adjust its size by dragging the corners. Also you can retake it, and to save, just click Keep Scan. After that, you can do it again. For example, if you have more than one page to scan, then you can continuously press this camera shutter button and just keep those scans. Now, when you're done, tap Save button and choose folder in which you want to save this document. Then tap Save on the top, and that's it. Now it is scanned and saved as PDF. To check this, find this document, tap on this arrow, and you will see Info PDF document. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.